Hello, lettering friend. I'm Sarah from Ensign Insights, and this is the journaling page that we're going to do together today. You're going to need some washi tape, a brush pen for your hand lettering, and also a gel pen if you want to add the cute little details. This can be as fast as 10 minutes because I know we're all really busy. So let's get started. First of all, this is the new challenge of the month for November. It is called the Playful Creativity Challenge. You can download this worksheet for free in the lettering library. I'll link that below. I wanted to create this page to be able to look back. It gives a lot of ideas for words and quotes to use. And the main idea of the challenge this month is to get more playful. So use different kinds of tools that maybe you used to use as a child that you don't think of anymore. And I was really inspired by the Gingham washi tape strips. So I tried doing it in my lettering. I had just used stencils to trace these words. And then to come in with the Plaid Gingham style, I did the stripes down and then the stripes across. And it looks great because the pen that I'm using is a little bit transparent. It's my Zebra mild liner brush pen, and I love these brush pens a lot. You can see how, because it is slightly transparent, some of the squares are a little bit darker than others, and that is Plaid Gingham look. And I think it looks great for November. It's definitely a fall style pattern. You don't need to make a page like this if you don't want to. You can print out the prompts that I've given you and just use the page. But this is what I did. So next, I'm going to pull out some washi tape. That's the tool that I want to use. And I have these cute little butterfly washi tapes that I haven't used yet. I'm really excited to try them out, and let's see what I can create with them. You can see I drew 7 lines on the side, evenly spaced. My washi tapes are not the same size, and so I knew I might have to play around with it a little bit, but I just needed a starting point. So I am starting with the red butterflies, and then I'm doing the orange. I love that I have these rainbow butterflies. And on your page, you don't have to use butterfly washi tape, obviously. Use what washi tape you have. It could just be plain colors. The point of this is to have some stripes, and I'm going to be lettering my words in between each of the stripes. So I counted a quote that was going to have this right number of words to fit in between each of the stripes of washi tape. So you could get really creative with the kind of washi tape you have. There's some really fun and really pretty washi tape out there. And one thing that I have loved doing lately is just experimenting with washi tape, because there's so many things you can do with it, and especially how to add it into my lettering. I've had washi tape for years and I've been hand lettering for years, but I haven't really combined the two yet in their full capability. So I'm really enjoying just playing around with it, seeing what I can do with washi tape. What can my art and hand lettering look like if I'm adding washi tape? I also like that it's a really easy way to fill your page. If the blank page seems daunting, adding some washi tape first can start filling it, and all you have to do is put tape down. Looking back at my quote ideas, I'm going to make sure I know just the quote that I'm going to use. And next, I am just penciling out where my quote is going to go. I always like to start in pencil because I change it, and you'll see I did change this one. I wanted them spread out a little bit more so that it would evenly cascade down the page to the very right side. And to hand letter this, the pen I'm using is my Marvy Le Pen Flex. These are really great small brush pens. The rest of the colors are mostly fall colors, which are great for this time of year. I don't use those colors very often, but I love having the black one for sure. It's a really bouncy tip, especially for being so small. I also wanted to mention that you can see I'm not tracing exactly on my pencil. So that's another reason why using a pencil is so great, because as you come in with the pen, you can see if you need to move something here or there. And even as I lettered Albert Einstein, I wanted it to be lower. So you really don't have to follow the pencil. It's just a good guide, a good place to start. I could have stopped here, but I really wanted something to fill in the lines. So I pulled out my Uniball Signo gold gel pen. This is my favorite gold gel pen. And I did these little marks. And I think it was just what it needed to fill in the extra white space. By the way, I don't think I mentioned already, this journal that I'm using is my Archer and Olive journal. It's the 8x8 square journal. It's fun if you want to have a larger design. I do have an affiliate link below if you want to go check out Archer and Olive journals. And here's the final product. I love how this turned out. It was really quick, really simple, was a lot of fun, and that's the main goal. Because like Albert Einstein said, having fun is the best way to learn. Thank you so much for joining me. If you want to see the other challenges that I've done in my handlettering journal, check out this playlist right here. I will see you next time.